Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Mikkola, a small rural community near Sudbury, Ontario, surrounded by forests, open fields, and quiet country roads. This peaceful area has been home to generations of families who enjoy the slower pace of northern living. In the early 1900s, Finnish immigrants settled in this part of northern Ontario, bringing with them traditions, farming skills, and a strong sense of community. The name Mikkola comes from a Finnish family name reflecting the heritage of those early settlers. The changing seasons bring a different kind of beauty here, from snow-covered winters to colorful autumn landscapes. While it feels far from the hustle and bustle, Sudbury's shops, schools, and services are only a short drive away. This balance of rural life and nearby city conveniences makes Mikkola a special spot. Whether you're visiting for a day or thinking about staying longer, Mikkola offers a warm welcome in the heart of northern Ontario. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Mikkola, Ontario.